kind of business you... Oh, shit.
How about you leave that truck to us?
Clean the knife off and give it back to his brother.
Open up next weekend.
Nah, fuck that. It's gotta be tonight. Grand opening. Start this shit with a bang.
Or we start with a misfire.
Fubu, to make it on time.
You big enough to take me now, huh?
I'll do what I can.
Nah, you'll do what you told. You keep your eyes open for anybody staring too long.
Well, we know who the muscle is. So they got to split up because they don't have enough time to do
Fight to daylight. We gonna
all they got planned for the night. All night long. All night long.
Where you from?
Shelby.
You heard of the Smokestack Twins?
Of course.
Oh, y'all got a reputation like that out there.
Can you tell time? And I'm gonna pay you 10 cents for every minute that I'm gone. Will that work for you? Good. Jump in.
That's what's up. We talking numbers. You just don't take anything. When she saw he was smoked, she was like,
What can I do for you?